Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a Dell Stylus pen unboxing, and Jack of everything is gonna be an inner part, so yeah, and let's get to it, yay! Unboxing the Dell Stylus, and also we are with Jack of everything!
Hey guys, so yeah, I'm gonna be joining Victor, watching him open his new Dell Stylus.
Although you can't really see it because I'm not really showing my physically, but I'll show him after.
Yeah, I am right here, guys. But yeah.
You can't see him, but you get a basic idea. And now let's open it up.
Yep, let's open it up.
Although I will be having to do a lot of editing after this.
Yeah. And also, guys, I know Victor's been wanting this stylus for a long time, so I'm happy he finally has it now. So
yeah. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, raw foam packaging. This foam. Oh, it's really small, but either way, got it now. Oh my god.
It's a stylus. Yeah. It's like my Dell's version of the Apple Pencil, except for laptops on an iPad.
I will be having to do a lot of blurring out when I get later. Oh, here it is. Oh, how do I open it? How do I open it?
I saw a little peek at the box.
How do I open it?
Okay.
I picked tape, piece of tape. Oh my god, oh my god.
So Victor, how's the unboxing experience?
Almost, yeah, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh.
Oh, I did it.
You got it out?
Oh, yes.
I'm so excited.
Let's see what else is in here. Nothing really special, but why is there? Oh! It's rechargeable, but it uses a...
Oh, it's rechargeable? Oh, okay, that's cool. So
but,
it is like an Apple Pencil.
Kind of, but I wouldn't necessarily say it's entirely rechargeable, but
yeah,
guess you can see.
It would be weird though if it took batteries though, like...
Okay,
I mean, it's like the battery
definitely special.
AAAs, but yeah.
I think it's just a rechargeable battery that you guys install on... I think... No, it's a how you say four? A four. Quadruple A. Quadruple A.
Quadruple A. It's a quadruple A's?
Yeah.
What? Wait, actually?
Yeah, I'm not kidding.
Quadruple A's? I thought it was just double and triple A's.
Yeah, well, it's quadruple A. Wow! Oh, sorry about my little brother in background. He's a little bit annoying. Wait! Oh, this is almost. Oh, this documentation. That's basically all. You got a basic idea. That's basically all. And that is all. And we are done. And guess we will do the intro in a second.